Hey there, Cam here from Training Tilt. Well, wanted to show you our latest release. So it's mainly around the new dashboard that we released a couple of weeks ago, but we've made some improvements to that now. So the main improvement is that it will now show all of your assigned athletes by default, or all of your athletes, unless you have the assigned only checkbox checked, and it will save that setting. It's the same settings that we use in the athlete search. So then you can see all your athletes, and then you can just scroll down, and as you scroll it'll just add a new athlete to the bottom of the list. So you don't need to page them, you don't need to search for your athletes unless you're looking for a specific athlete, and then you can just type their name and it will filter the list out just to those athletes. Or of course you can just show all the athletes that you have in your system regardless of whether you're assigned to them or not. I'm just going to click back on the assigned one, and then just to go over the dashboard itself, made some improvements, some indicators on whether there's a comment on the workouts. So this shows that if you hover over it, you'll see what the indicator is. So this shows that I've left a comment on this. If it's yellow, then an athlete or a client has left a comment on it. If there's two speech bubbles, then you've both left a comment on it. And again, you can expand out. This is just showing the next 5 workouts for the client. And you can click on them to open the actual workout up. And it's the same thing for completed workouts. So I can expand the completed workouts here. I can open one of these up. I've only got strength workouts in here, so they're not going to show much, but this is my workout. So an easy way to look at the latest completed data, upcoming plan data, upcoming events as well. So it's going to show the athlete's next set of events. It's got my surf trip here to Mexico. And then if the athlete is on a training plan, if you're doing one-on-one coaching, then this probably won't show up at all. As you can see in here for Devon, he hasn't got any plan showing because he's not on a self-service training plan. But if you're one of the coaches who uses our platform for group coaching, then it'll show what plan they're on as well. So that's easy for you to see what plan they're on and when they've got it applied to their calendar there. Okay, so if you want to make this page your default page now, you can go to user settings. So this is if you're logged in as a coach, user settings, and then scroll down to the bottom here, and you can see your landing page setting here. Just change that to dashboard new. And you can also control whether you want this to be the landing page for your athletes as well. And to do that, you go settings, client settings, then it's at the top here, client landing page. Set that to dashboard new. I will come up with a better name for that, but for now, because we've still got the old dashboard there, it just makes it obvious that this is the new one there. So now let me just show you the athlete view now. So very similar, except of course they can only see their details. Same layout, they can expand it, open them up, etc. And we've got this new feature here, which I'll actually do a separate video for, called announcements, and it will show up there. But yeah, if that setting that I just showed you, this would be the landing page that your athletes will land on every time they log in from now on. So it is a handy page to have as the default athlete page, I think, because you can put these announcements in here if you want everyone to see something every day. And that will work on the mobile app as well. So let me show you what the mobile app looks like. So same thing, if you set this to the landing page, then when they log into the mobile app, they'll get this view here. You'll just see that it's put it vertical, fit on the phone nicely. It's got the notification here. Again, they can expand things out. They can click on the workouts and open it up. So just a very quick way to see what's upcoming and what they've just done, without having the overhead of looking at the full calendar. And then that will show up in here. And I've called this today. So you probably know that you can actually rename all of these menu items, customize them for your own business. So maybe that'd be a good thing to do if if you want to rename it, let me know what you've renamed it to, and that might help me come up with a better name than dashboard new, which is a bit lame really, isn't it? But to change that setting, you can go to settings, platform settings, and then menu customization, scroll right down to the bottom, and you'll find this one here. It'll say dashboard new for you. I've just changed mine to today for now, and then you save that, and that'll save it for all of your athletes as well. In the coaching menu, it'll still show up as dashboard new, but for your athletes, it will be whatever you've called it. So yeah, so the mobile app is quite nice. This is, I think, a much better experience on mobile for your athletes than scrolling through their calendar. Very simple and easy. So that is the new dashboard and new features. So I'll put another video here regarding how to use the notifications.